Dr. Boden Huxley here. In our founding director's spirit of expansion and opportunity, we take our proprietary human enhancement technology and propel it into the future of the arts and entertainment industry. When components of our Kenton primary shell began showing up in underground clubs, it revealed the expanded potential of the product. As a tribute to our founder, we're issuing a limited run of the primary shell. Each unit is hand-built, in-house, individually stamped and numbered. Secure your primary shell today and be part of Dr. Kenton's ongoing legacy. The future is ours.